Hi children, how are you? I hope all of you are fine. So today we will going to learn EVS for class 3. That's chapter number 6, that is getting to know the place we live in. Now you must be thinking, okay, we know the place where we live in so and so place. So what's important in that? It's really important to know from where the lifestyle has come into existence till now. Okay, so we are going to see these things in detail for you. So let's start with the chapter. Now the very first question arises that how does a town form? So in very olden time, the first lifestyle that come into existence was a nomadic lifestyle. The people used to go from one place to another in search of foods. They used to search their foods by hunting the animals and gathering fruits, roots, or bulk from foods. That means they used to struggle a lot for their food. If at one particular place the foods or the essential things are just going on vanishing, they used to go then to the another place. They were really struggling a lot. Now later they realized that we can settle in a place and we can grow certain crops, so they slowly started to do the farming. So this farming come into existence. Now they started to stay together, that is their houses were very close by, so a settlement was formed between the people, and they so many settlements merged together to make a village. Now people feel safer in to live in a village because they were very close to each other, so they started helping to each other, because as the farming grows the people find it difficult for a person to do it alone. So the people started to doing the different works. For example, some people were used to build the earthen pots, and some used to make some wooden logs or for some farming implements, and some people used to make the jewelries. Thus, there were artisans engaged in different occupation. Now, what do you mean by artisan? The people who are experts in making certain things. So, they started making certain things which they were expert in and used to exchange to each other. Now, the barter system came into existence. Now, what do you mean by barter system? One thing was given for the another thing, that is there was exchange of goods, not money. Earlier the money was not in existence, only the goods were in existence, so the people used to exchange. If someone gives rice, the other will give the wheat or something like that, or sugar or so. It was a exchange of goods, not the money. Now see this implements, these are used for agriculture. Certain implements are there in the pictures. Now you can do one activity, you can collect some pictures of ancient tools and modern tools that are used of course in agriculture, and you can compare both the things and see the difference in the activity, what are they used for. Okay, now you can also visit an agriculture exhibition and you can see how the different crops are grown and how the different trees grows and what is the difference between the plants and the trees. You can go and visit there and you can get a deeper knowledge about this. So do go and watch it out, the exhibitions. Now you can tell me to which historical buildings, monuments or object etc. are seen in your area, because certain areas are well known for the mosques, the temples or certain caves. You know the Ajanta cave, it is well-known caves, so that area become famous just because of this historical monuments or statues or caves. So these are our treasures and these are very much valuable to us. We must protect them and we must not spoil them. If we visit there, we should not spoil it. Okay, a place may also be famous for its religious place or fair or fort. That is this Raigad district, it is very much famous for this fort, that is Raigad fort. You can also find out parents that how the place where you live has got its name, and you can also find the names of the places which have been named just because of the important fruits or flowers or some sort of animals or birds. So now I can tell you an example. This is the Now this is a bird that is bijepe and it is found in Kerala. So there is a road which has been named after this bird because this sort of bird is found in that limited area only. So you can also find out such areas name that has been kept in place of such animals or birds. Now see, one more example is there, that is of Talegaon. See, while returning from Surat, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj stopped near Talegaon, that is Dindori in Nasik district. He set up his army camp or Tal there, giving the place name the Talegaon. Now see, there's Shivaji Maharaj has settled here and built a camp over there, so this name has been kept in place of him, that is Talegaon. Okay, now there is one more person, that is Rajguru. You must have seen the movie also, that is Bhagat Singh movie. He was one of his friend and who was a freedom fighter. She now his birthplace, that is Khed, was renamed as a Rajguru Nagar just because of his sacrifice, and he has become a martyr for our country. So the people over there feel proud of him and has replaced the name as Rajguru Nagar. Now children, you can try out this activity. Now World Heritage Day, that is, it is on 18th April. On this day, pay a visit to the fort or national monuments and learn about its importance. You can collect the photos of some monuments or some forts or some statues and you can frame it like this, how I have framed it. See the frame of the fort and some vadas. Now what do you mean by vadas? It was an administrative office earlier built by especially this Adil Shah emperor. They have built this vadas over I think in North Karnataka and in Maharashtra also, and you can also frame Taj Mahal like this. Now you must be knowing that Taj Mahal, it's in Agra. Just as a place become renowned because of some monuments or statues, the place also gets renowned because of its people and their good deeds, as we have seen in the case of Rajguru. So collect information about soldiers, writers or artists or some artisans that are etc. that are available in your neighborhood, and you can invite them to your schools and you can interview them also. So do try this activity out. Now, do you know children, the Sant Gadge Maharaj, who is in the statue, he belongs to Shergaon from Amravati district, and he raised a social awareness through his kirtans. He used to ask the people some questions and used to answer them, and he have given the people knowledge about taking education. So this village will forever be remembered for his work in the service of people, because he was a great saint of the century, 20th century. Now you have heard about the weekly market, children. Now visit a weekly market and meet a shopkeeper there, interview him or her about various questions, that is, how many years have you been in this occupation, which item do you sell in the shop, where do you get this from, and what are the means of transport they use it for. Now weekly market is a market which is arranged once in a week. This is the tradition that has been done in the villages. Still now in some villages these markets are arranged. Now this market is very important for these people because only once in a week they get all sort of essential things. So all the people from different villages also gathered over there to get the essential things. You can see in the pictures how this weekly market have been arranged for the earthen pots or for the wooden logs and for some grains or anything, whatever essentials we require for our day-to-day life. This market is also the place where people can meet one another and inquire about each other's well-being. Now in market a number of people gather together, so it is a good place for a get together to know each other and to get the well-beings of each other. Of course in market we see many people talking to each other, even while whether they want to purchase or not, they meet each other at this place only for certain time. Now there are certain special markets that have been arranged like this donkey market, as it is shown in the picture. The people belonging to various caste and community attends the fairs, folk deities of masses in Maharashtra, and with reverence. This is the market that is arranged in the Jejuri in Maharashtra, where different people from different places and cities come here to get to exchange to purchase the donkeys over here. And also some places like Malegaon is also a famous place in the Nanded district, where this market for donkey and horse have been arranged. It is also a place of pilgrims, and it is a well-known place. So the places get its name just because of this purchase and sales also. Now I know a place that is Devnar. It is also famous for the goat suppliers. So a place get famous for certain important things. This is one of the things, that is the purchase and selling of the animals. Now children, you can do some puzzles or activities to find out the names of the various places that you can do as a game at your home with the parents or your friends. Now what we have learned in this chapter, I hope you understand this complete chapter. It was just a name of the places, how the names of the places are being given because of the monuments or the statues or some people, some important peoples, and also how the earlier life was started by our ancestors. It is very much important to learn that. Now what do we have learned from this chapter? It is just a summary I am telling you. That is, many settlements merge together and form a village. That is, people settled at a places, particular many people settle at a places and it's form a village. As farming developed, people had to do different kinds of work. So the people, as a farming developed, as I earlier tell you, that people have to do the different work, that is like weaving and making that wooden blocks and all that things. Now some places become known for their historical buildings, like you can say this Taj Mahal, which is in Agra. A place gets its renown from its people and their important deeds, as we have seen about in the case of Rajguru and Sant Gadgil Maharaj. Essential items are available in a market. In a market, so everything is available. You must have visited the market. It's everything is available. So people also meet in a market. So you also go and purchase something. But right now, don't go outside. Stay safe and stay home. And if you like our video, so please like, share, and subscribe our channel. And if you have any sort of doubts, please comment and ask us. Thanks for watching the video.